What's up, my sugies? Ashley here, and in today's video I have another amazing haul for you guys, and this time it is a combined one from IKEA and Target. I have so many good items to share with you, literally ranging from home decor to kitchen accessories, organizational items, and so much more. So if you are interested in seeing this mini shop with me and haul of everything amazing from IKEA and Target, then just keep watching. All right, so we are starting off with something that I have talked about a million times from Target, and I absolutely adore these. They are the cutest appetizer spoons ever, and I actually use mine for coffee or whatever else I'm using. So I leave them stored on top of my little coffee area right here. But then because of my mother-in-law, I saw that when she was serving fruit, she actually served little baby forks with them. And of course, you know, I had to go get the matching forks because I thought they were so adorable and would go perfect not only for if I had appetizers, so I could have the whole entire set, but also for when I'm serving fruit. How adorable are these? They match my regular silverware perfectly. They match my appetizer spoons. They are hearth and hand. I got 2 boxes. I think they're around $14 or $15 each, and I store them in my drawer, which I keep all of my servingware stuff in. So as you can see here, I have all my servingware stuff, and then I keep my spoons right here on my coffee bar, and I love the way that this looks. So if you need some appetizer spoons, charcuterie board, whatever the case may be, when you want a nice clean black utensil to serve that, then definitely check these out. I will link them below for you. They're a little bit more on the expensive side, but totally worth it. Next up, I wanted to show you these phenomenal Euro shams. I talked about these with a client and absolutely love them, and they go perfectly well with my coverlet. They are these beautiful, I believe these are they hearth and hand? I think they are. They're like a really nice bone colored linen Euro sham cover, and I love them. They're so adorable. They're thin, they're light. They're not bright white, so as you can see now with the sun shining in, it's not going to match perfectly, but as you can see, I think they match well enough to where it's not an issue, and I love the way that they complete this bed. So if you're looking for just a Euro sham cover, then definitely check these out. I love, like I said, that they're nice and thin and super affordable. I think they're like 19 bucks each. They do have, if you saw my other video, a very nice kind of raw hem, if my camera will ever focus. There it goes, a nice raw hem and just kind of a, I don't know, almost a worn in look, and I personally love that. I think it's beautiful and organic looking. So if you're looking for something more on the organic, natural, light side, then definitely check these out. All of this bed is from the Casaluna line at Target, including this throw blanket here at the bottom, this bone linen comforter, this coverlet, and then these white shams, and then I just have regular white sheets. So a couple of neutral colors going on here, but lots of layers and texture. I kind of wanted to pull in that I don't want to say nude, but neutral color, because as you can see, my nightstands do have that little bit of light gold finish to them. So I love the way that this turned out. It's absolutely affordable and totally doable. So definitely check out Target for your bedding needs, as well as these amazing shams. Next up, I wanted to talk about something that I don't talk about too often, but for my iPhone lovers out there, they have some super great deals on cases, and as you can see, this clear one fits my brand new iPhone perfectly, and I love it because there is not only protection, but it is in a beautiful clear color, so I can see my champagne gold iPhone. This was seriously on super sale. I think it was around $8.99 or $9. So I will link it below for you if it is still available. I would definitely keep my eye out for cases from Target if you like to change your cases as much as I do, because they can be very expensive, and Target has a lot of them that go on sale. I just stock the website, and as soon as they go on sale, I snag it, put it in my cart, and then move on. A lot of them are online only options. A lot of them are not in store. So if you're interested in seeing it in person, then I definitely check and see if it's available. I believe this one was online only. So sometimes you just kind of have to take a gamble, but the great thing is if you don't like it, you just return it back to the store. No hassle, no problem. Next up, we are talking about some stuff from IKEA. I absolutely love the way that these turned out, so much so that I'm going to go back and get another set to complete this little shelf because OCD. Anyways, I found these and I love them. They're like $4 for a set of 4, and I got them for my overflow spices. So by that I mean I have this little regular spice, little centric area going on here, and these are my main spices that I use all the time. But for my bulk spices, or my spices that, you know, I get extra in because I buy them in larger quantities, I can put the overflow spices into here, including things that I use that I have a ton of, like chicken bouillon cubes, seasoned salt. This is everything but the bagel seasoning. Of course, they didn't have a label for that. Ridiculous. And Italian seasoning, all of that kind of stuff. So they do come in a pack of 4. I got 2 packs, and then I'm gonna get 1 more. So I will have 12 of them for, I think they were like $4. So $1 each, so 12 bucks. So if you are into organizing and spices in specific, then definitely get on this because I love how clean and crisp they look, and they really are large in size. I also have them on this clear riser, and I left them there because I wanted them to be near the can section so everything kind of has its place. So like I said, if you're into OCD organizing like me, then definitely get on it. If you're interested in this spice rack, I can link it for you. It is from Target and I love it. And then I got these from Amazon and got the labels from Amazon, put them together. I'm not even gonna wait for this to focus because it won't by the time it does, you know, it'll be tomorrow. So definitely love it from Target and from IKEA. So I will link all of these below for you guys. Love me some organization. Speaking of organization, I found this bad boy at Target and thought it was adorable and perfect. There we go, leaving the tags on again, for storing my, oh look, and it's a storage basket, storing my cleaning cloths. I love to use these to dust and clean and Windex on, you know, usually Saturday mornings. So I thought this was perfect. I love the handles. I love the rattan organic look of it. I think I'm actually going to get a couple more to put in my cupboards, and then I'm going to get a shelf built back here so I can have my laundry detergent more easily accessible to me, and then I'll have this kind of storage stuff and baskets in the cabinets above. So if you're looking for something like this, you could literally use this for anything. You could use it for kids' clothes, you could use it for washcloths in the bathroom, but I love it for my little cleaning cloths, and it's nice with the handles. So if you're into, like I said, OCD organization, this is another good staple for you to have. And I don't remember it being very expensive either. I want to say around $10. Oh, 20, just kidding. Sorry, I was a little bit off on that. You would know that if this thing would ever focus in on anything and then you could see it, but you know, autofocus on this camera, like I said, is a little subpar. So there it is, $20, 10 years later. It is from the brand Threshold, and I will link it for you guys so that you can find it in store or get it online. Also from IKEA, this beautiful glass water pitcher. Well, I guess it's not technically a water pitcher, but I love it for water. I keep it right here in the side because my husband loves lemon water in specific. It is literally the perfect size for a small pitcher. So if you love little glass pitchers, I think this was around maybe $5 at most. You can literally put milk, orange juice, anything you want in here, but it is easy to access and it comes with a little glass stopper. How adorable is that? So IKEA kitchen for the win this time around, you guys. I absolutely love it. And it's got a beautiful ribbing to it, so it looks a little bit on the vintage side, but very simple and sweet. Also from IKEA, this adorable little bamboo toothbrush holder. I absolutely love it, and I think it goes perfect with the aesthetic in the bathroom because it has that little bit of bamboo and beige color. I put it on this little tray that I also got for myself, which I showed in my most recent Home Goods haul. So if you are looking for a nice way to store toothbrushes, it also, bonus, has that plastic piece at the bottom that does come out. It, I guess, basically has holes so that the water can drain, but also has a little bit of a plastic piece with holes so that the toothbrushes don't fall through. So I thought that was a nice little touch to that. IKEA, seriously, and I think it was like maybe $3 at the most. $3. They also had some really cute storage containers. I just didn't know if they would fit on this tray, that you could put some Q-tips, you know, cotton balls, that sort of thing in. But I just love the aesthetic of the clean, and it kind of looks like modern, especially because it's his side. I want it to be a little bit more on the modern side. So yay, IKEA for the win. Now for some clothing goodies from Target, you guys. This tank top is amazing. I did want to say, I know that some may get offended by this, but I saw online where this is like, I guess, last year's version of this tank top. If you know, you know. And then this year they came out with one that was a little bit more of a, I'd say like a racer back. And I'm telling you guys, I ordered both. The racerback is awful. It's scratchy. It feels cheap. It feels terrible. This is like buttery soft. Got a nice stretch to it. I love this. I think this is super flattering, the shape on the shoulder. It's nice enough to where it hits just regular, you know, like on your hips. But of course, if you wanted to do a little front tuck and tuck it in and wear it almost as a bodysuit type, you totally could do that as well. If you had a little high-waisted skirt, dress, high-waisted skirt, or something that, you know, pair of pants that you wanted to tuck this in, you totally could do that. I think for $8 it's totally worth it. But seriously, save your time, effort, and money, and don't make the mistake that I did and order the new ones, because they're not worth it. Also, since we're here, I'm going to show you the other colors, so again, you don't have to waste your time if you don't want to. Obviously white, it's classic, you know, need I say more. And then this color, it is a very nice cool tone taupe color. So if you were into cool tone taupe brown colors, then definitely get this. It's coming off a little purple on camera. It's not. It's like the color of the pampas grass back there. So it's got like a touch of like a purple in it, but it really is like a true taupe, taupey brown color. So it's got a little bit of gray, a little bit of brown, a touch of purple. It's a really nice neutral color. I think it literally would match everything in your closet. So that's the information on these three. Don't waste your time, effort, or energy trying to get the new ones, because they are terrible. Just an FYI. Alright, you guys, that is going to wrap up this shop with me and haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, I will link everything I can in the description box down below. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that post notification bell so you guys can be notified every time I upload new videos. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.